Cooking is supposed to be fun and enjoyable, but messy cleanups and cumbersome gadgets can make it feel like a chore. This Gotham Steel 5-quart ceramic stock pot solves all of these problems with its innovative design, functionality, and non-stick ceramic coating. Whether you're boiling pasta, cooking soups, or steaming vegetables, this multi-purpose pot is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Let's dive into why this pot is the ultimate kitchen companion. Why choose the Gotham Steel 5-quart ceramic stock pot? The Gotham Steel Pasta Pot is not just another ordinary cooking pot, it's a game changer. Combining the functions of several kitchen gadgets into one, it streamlines the cooking process, saves time, and helps make your meals healthier. With the twist and lock handles, built-in strainer lid, and the ultimate non-stick coating, cooking has never been easier. Here's why this pot should be your next kitchen investment. Key features and benefits of the Gotham Steel 5-quart ceramic stock pot. Number 1. Twist and lock handles for effortless draining. One of the standout features of this pasta pot is the twist and lock handles. You no longer need to juggle a heavy pot and a hot colander when draining pasta or boiled vegetables. Simply twist the handles, and the built-in strainer lid allows you to drain out water in seconds without any hassle. This feature ensures you can easily strain pasta, rice, vegetables, or even boiled eggs without worrying about burns or spills. Number 2. Ultimate non-stick ceramic coating for hassle-free cooking. Say goodbye to food sticking to your pot and frustrating cleanup sessions. The Gotham Steel Pasta Pot features a high-quality ceramic non-stick coating that's reinforced with titanium and diamonds, two of the most durable materials on Earth. This makes the pot incredibly easy to clean, and you won't have to worry about using oil, butter, or seasoning to prevent sticking. It's healthier cooking that doesn't compromise on taste. Number 3. Eco-friendly and healthy cooking experience. Concerned about toxins in your cookware? The Gotham Steel Pasta Pot is PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium-free, ensuring that you're cooking with non-toxic materials. The eco-friendly ceramic coating not only provides a non-stick surface, but also ensures your meals are safe and healthy for the entire family. No harmful chemicals are involved, so you can enjoy peace of mind while preparing your favorite dishes. Number 4. Oven and dishwasher safe for convenience. Who has time to hand wash a pot after a long day of cooking? The Gotham Steel Pasta Pot is both oven safe and dishwasher safe, making it a convenient choice for busy home chefs. The oven-safe design allows you to transfer the pot from the stovetop directly into the oven without any issues. Once you're done cooking, just pop the pot into the dishwasher and it's ready for your next meal. Number 5. Metal utensil safe for durability. The Gotham Steel Pasta Pot is built to withstand the toughest kitchen utensils, making it metal utensil safe. The diamond-reinforced ceramic surface allows you to use metal spoons, spatulas, and even electric beaters without worrying about damaging the non-stick surface. This makes the pot more versatile, durable, and able to stand up to the wear and tear of everyday cooking. Number 6. Stylish and functional design. The Gotham Steel Pasta Pot is not only practical, but also beautifully designed. With a sleek, modern look and a classic cream-colored finish, it will complement any kitchen decor. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, ensuring that you can easily maneuver the pot during cooking. Plus, its non-stick coating makes it look as good as it performs, maintaining its attractive appearance for years. Why you need the Gotham Steel 5-quart ceramic stock pot in your kitchen. If you love cooking pasta, soups, stews, or even steamed vegetables, the Gotham Steel Pasta Pot is an essential addition to your kitchen. With its innovative features like the twist and lock handles, ceramic non-stick coating, and eco-friendly design, it makes cooking easier, healthier, and more enjoyable. Plus, the convenience of oven and dishwasher safety means less time spent cleaning and more time spent eating delicious meals. Conclusion: a must-have kitchen gadget. The Gotham Steel 5-quart ceramic stock pot is more than just a cooking vessel. It's a multifunctional kitchen tool that will save you time, effort, and energy in the kitchen. From its built-in strainer lid to its metal utensil-safe coating, it is packed with features that make it one of the best investments you can make for your kitchen. Whether you're cooking for yourself or preparing meals for the whole family, this pot is sure to meet all your needs. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.